Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. A quick review. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a mid-range smartphone that was released in 2023. It is a great option for users who are looking for a phone with a large display, a versatile camera system, long battery life, and 5G connectivity. The Galaxy A54 5G is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor. This processor is powerful enough to handle most everyday tasks, such as browsing the web, checking social media, and playing games. The Galaxy A54 5G comes with Android 13 pre-installed. Samsung's One UI 5 custom skin is layered over Android, which provides a number of additional features and customizations. The Galaxy A54 5G has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp, bright, and colorful. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes animations and scrolling look smoother. The Galaxy A54 5G is available in the following colors: Awesome Violet, Awesome Lime, Awesome White, Awesome Black. The Galaxy A54 5G has a 5000 mAh battery. This battery is large enough to last most users for a full day on a single charge. The phone also supports 25W fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery if needed. The Galaxy A54 5G supports a wide range of connectivity options, including 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC. The Galaxy A54 5G is available in the following memory and storage configurations: 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The storage can be expanded using a microSD card. The Galaxy A54 5G has a triple camera system on the back. 50MP main sensor with OIS, 12MP ultra-wide sensor, 5MP macro sensor. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor. The Galaxy A54 5G also has a number of additional features, including IP67 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers, under-display fingerprint sensor. The Galaxy A54 5G price starts at $350. In India the price starts at 35,499 rupees. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a great mid-range smartphone with a large display, a versatile camera system, long battery life, and 5G connectivity. If you are looking for a phone with all of these features, then the Galaxy A54 5G is a great option.